Now this little kid, he is the smartest kid in the world. And I'm going to show you how smart he is. Come on, Christian. Look. What's that? A.
B.
B.
C.
C.
D.
D. Good job.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G. Oops.
I.
H. That one's close. What's that? What's that?
H.
H.
I.
Yay, Christian! This one.
O.
O.
M.
M.
The. Y.
Y. Good job, Christian. Isn't he smart? Say bye.